Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your YouTube TV subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your service properly and avoid future charges. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube TV website. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the membership section where you can view your current subscription details and billing information. Step 4. Click on Pause or Cancel Membership to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. YouTube TV may offer you options to pause your membership temporarily instead of canceling. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Step 6. If proceeding with cancellation, confirm that you want to cancel by clicking the appropriate button. Your access will continue until the end of your current billing period. Step 7. Review the cancellation confirmation message that appears on screen, noting the exact date when your service will end. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from YouTube TV. Keep this email for your records as proof of cancellation. Log back into your account to verify that your membership status shows as canceled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.